Welcome to our channel, where today we dive into the easiest method to resolve Cowen account access issues and get you back on track without hassle. Welcome to our channel, where today we dive into the easiest method to resolve Cowen account access issues and get you back on track without hassle. Accessing your Cowen account should be straightforward, but sometimes users encounter login problems that can be frustrating. Let's walk through a clear, step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and fix these access challenges quickly and efficiently. Step 1 is to check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection is often the root cause of login issues. Ensure you have a stable connection by testing other websites or apps to confirm your network is stable. Step 2 involves verifying your login credentials. Double-check your username and password for typos or case sensitivity. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it by following the on-screen instructions. Step 3 is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes, outdated browser data can disrupt login functionality. Navigate to your browser settings, find the options to clear browsing data, and select cache and cookies before restarting your browser. Step 4 is to try accessing your account from a different browser or device. This step helps determine if the issue is related to your device or browser compatibility. Step 5 is to check if Cowen's servers are down or undergoing maintenance. You can verify this by visiting Cowen's official status page or their social media channels for any announcements. Step 6 is to disable any VPNs or proxy settings temporarily. These can sometimes interfere with network access and prevent successful logins. Step 7 is to ensure your browser is updated to the latest version. Older versions may have compatibility issues with Cowen's website. Step 8 is to enable cookies and JavaScript in your browser, as these are usually required for website functionality, including secure logins. Step 9 involves scanning your device for malware or viruses which might be blocking website access or altering login processes. Use your trusted antivirus software to perform a full scan. If after following all these steps you still cannot access your Cowen account, the final step is to reach out to Cowen's customer support. Provide them with detailed information about your issue, including error messages and the steps you've tried. Their support team can offer personalized assistance to resolve your access problem. Remember, taking these steps calmly one at a time eliminates confusion and increases your chance of success in regaining access. We hope this easy, step-by-step method helps you quickly fix any Cowen account access issues and get back to managing your investments with confidence. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tech solutions and tips.